What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Today we're here at the shop. Today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be doing some prefab for a shutdown that we're actually doing tomorrow. So pretty much what I have to do is I got some measurements from the job I was out there yesterday. So now with those measurements, I'm going to take them and actually get all the material that I ordered yesterday and pretty much put everything together. We're going to be prefabbing all this stuff for tomorrow for the shutdown. So it is 6-inch pipe, so they're all going to be 6-inch welds. I don't know, I forgot how many welds. I think it's about 10 welds I gotta do. So yeah, that's what we're doing today here at the shop. Thank you for everybody that keeps watching the channel. Thank you for everybody that keeps supporting. I really appreciate it, everybody's comment. I do read them. I know I got people trying to race my daily. I mean, guys, this is my daily. I'm not trying to race that truck. I'm just trying to get it 100%, make it a reliable truck to where I have no issues. I'm not trying to race that truck. If anything, I want to make that truck, like I said, my tow pick, tow my other truck around. So, and then I also get comments that like, how come I don't go with, you know, Freddie and the guys? Guys, I'm a foreman. If I take off, my crew has to take off, or they have to find places to put them. So I don't think that's fair. Right now we have a bunch of work. I gotta take care of stuff here. You know, I gotta take care of my family and everything like that. So yeah, while there's work, I'm gonna work. And you know, when that time comes where I can take a break or a vacation, I'll do it. And yeah, so I better get off, get all my stuff ready so I can get to work. So let's go. All right, guys, we're here at the shop. Here, these guys not doing nothing. What's up, Ricky? Yeah, what's up? Yeah, we're doing another vlog, Ricky. Come on. Yeah. My boy Carlos. All right, so yeah, guys, this is what I pretty much what they sent in the email. So I have the original one here. All right, so this is what we got to build. Pretty much it's a loop. We already have this piece right here, which is this piece. So right now all we got to do is add this 90, come down, add a drain, and then on this piece where this is a double flange, connect to another 90. This goes to a flange, and then it goes connected to the pipe that we have on the job site. So yeah, it's gonna go connected here, connected here. Can you turn your music down so I don't get copyrighted?
Yeah, it's already been longer than 30 seconds, huh?
So we got some of the flanges here, we got the flanges, we got the 90s. So yeah, we're gonna see what we have, take a quick inventory of what we have, make sure we have everything. And that way, if we need to, we can go ahead and order it when we have enough time to get everything here. So this can be done today. It has to be done today, guys, because tomorrow in the morning, we shut the whole system down and we pretty much start building this thing out. So these measurements have to be exact to the point where we're not gonna have any issues, because we're not gonna have a welder out there. In order to fix this, we would have to bring the pipe back to the shop, you know, obviously adjust them where we need to. So yeah, when I take these measurements, I have to make sure that I have everything correct. All right, so I got my stuff here, got my gloves, my shirt, and then I got my hood. Big shout out to Pipeliners Cloud, guys. Make sure y'all check them out. They got some really nice hoods. This is a full carbon fiber hood. So the next one I'm gonna get one that's cut here and cut up here for sure, to make it in those tight spots. So what do you think about my carbon fiber hood, Ricky? It's nice, huh? It's nice.
Oh man, you're getting all kinds of scratches on it, huh?
I know, man. I'm putting it out there. Sucks. Look at that. It's all right. Well, look who it is. What's up, man? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the vlog. My boy Arnold. All right, what we got today, Marlon? We got busy today, huh?
Man, we're always busy. A few questions pertaining to what we're doing over at the other job site. Apprentices, what are we needing to be able to cut and cap and make safe?
We should, I mean, 2 places would be fine.
Getting fat.
In the tunnel, in order to get in the tunnel, you have to go through this narrow spot, even in the beginning. And then obviously going up and down the ladder pretty fast, in case you need to.
Does he make the cut?
You could be outside for a whole watch. Alright, over here, Ricky's he's over here being an all-you-can-be soldier over here, fitting it and welding it out.
You want to see the level right there? It's pretty goddamn level.
Oh, you got it or what? Let's see this.
One eternity later.
It's good right there. Yeah, all right, so Ricky's building out the piece with the flange. We already had this piece made up, so we just went ahead and cut it to size. Ricky's tagging on this 90, and then we're gonna go ahead and go on. I actually get a little break today because Ricky is actually taking care of the welding.
I need to take care of the welding.
Yeah.
In the shop, of course, I take care of the welding.
Yeah, he's stepped up. He stepped up. When it's hard, he wants me to do it, but when it's easy over here at the shop, that's when he wants to step up.
When it's not my job.
Hey, okay, well, we need you tomorrow to put this in.
That ain't my job either.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna fit everything up, probably weld it out. Like I said, Ricky's gonna help me weld out, so I'm gonna start cutting up the other pipe. All right, so this guy's over here bragging. This is how you put 70-18. Let's check it out. Okay. Let me put some light on it. That way the camera can really pick it up. It's not bad, it's not bad. You've been seeing what I'm doing, huh?
Yeah.
You've been seeing my technique, huh?
I've been saying what not to do.
All right, so we finally got the pipe in, guys. So now we're pretty much gonna take our measurements that we have over here. This is our end-to-end pieces, so we still gotta do the takeoff here, so which we already did, got them numbered. So we're gonna take these measurements, go ahead and transfer them to this pipe, get this pipe cut to the lengths that we needed. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this pipe cut. That way we can go ahead and start putting it together.
A few moments later.
All right, so instead of cutting it, we're gonna go ahead and weld the flanges on the ends of the pipe. So Ricky's gonna go ahead and tack this one up, weld it out, and then we're gonna put another flange on here, tack it up, get it welded out. That way we have pretty much a stand kind of. We're using this whole pipe as a stand. Then once we got those welded out, we'll go ahead and cut it to what we need to. So let's go ahead and fit up the flange, weld it out so we can keep going. All right, so I just fit up my boy Ricky right here with the flange. He's gonna go ahead and weld that out. Once he gets done with that, we're gonna put another flange over here. He'll go ahead and weld this one out. Once he gets both of those done, we're gonna go ahead and take our measurement, cut it, and then go ahead and start putting our pieces together. So we're rolling now. Finally that pipe got here, we're able to get some stuff done now. So let's get it. All right guys, so now that flange is welded up, now I gotta go over here to my drawing, and pretty much all these measurements are from the face of this flange, which, like I said, that's a flange, the face of that flange to the center of that 90, which it's right here. But we need to get the measurement to here so we can know exactly what size pipe we need to cut. So what I gotta figure out is find out my takeoff. On a 6-inch 90, it's 9 inches. So from here to here is 9 inches. All right, so y'all can better understand me. I pretty much drew out the flange with a piece of pipe in between and then the 90. So my whole total is 5'2" and a quarter from the face of the flange to the center of the 90. So I need to find out what this measurement's gonna be. But because Ricky already welded the flange on the piece of pipe, now I pretty much have to take off my 90, which my 90 from my edge to center is 9 inches. So that gives me 4'5" and a quarter. So I have to measure from the face to the edge of my pipe. That's gonna be my cut piece. So my cut piece is gonna be 4'5" and a quarter. All right, so we got that piece cut to the measurement that we needed. Now we're gonna go ahead and get it ready to fit up so we can throw on our 90. We're gonna go ahead and put this up, weld it out, and then we'll go ahead and make the next piece. While he's welding that up, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this piece and this piece also. Just so we can get this going, guys, because I mean this pipe came in super late and we gotta finish it today, so we gotta get it. All All right guys, so Ricky got that one welded out. I got this one cut. I got this one marked. So once we get back from lunch, we're gonna go ahead and get these done. Yeah, let's go get something to eat right now. But yeah, it's going pretty good. I have a good feeling we'll get this knocked out. I need to get this knocked out no matter what. So right now, let's go get something to eat, refuel, and we'll come back and hit it strong.
1 hour later.
What you doing? You ready? Ready to get back on it? This one's done? Yep. All right, I got that other piece. Actually, that one can go on here now. All right, so we just got a bite to eat. I got some Chick-fil-A. Now we gotta get back on this so we can hurry up and finish it. Go ahead and put this piece to that other one, and then I gotta still cut this one. So, all right, so we got this piece fitted up. This piece is pretty much ready to go. Ricky's gonna finish welding it out. That'll be this piece right here. This one right here. And then that one is this one right here, which we already have 90. I already have this one cut. So we just need to put it onto that one and then add our 3/4 OLED on there. So we gotta add this piece, which is this little hole right here, the 3/4 OLED for our drain. And then that's it, we're done. So it's going pretty good. About 1 o'clock, we get out of here at 3. So I think we should be able to knock it out. Alright, so we got the last piece tacked up, ready to go. Ricky's gonna weld that one out. We got the other one here. So this one's pretty much ready to go. It's a little warm still. So on this one, all we have to do is add this 3/4 OLED. So this 3/4 OLED has to go on this side at a 45. This is gonna be our drain now. So pretty much that will be all set up. Like I said, this piece is that one. And then this piece is this one right here. So we're pretty much gonna have everything done. This should be ready to go for tomorrow's shutdown. I won't be there. It's actually my son's birthday weekend. We're gonna be celebrating, so happy birthday to my son Julian. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be finishing up here and getting all this thing ready to go. We got it all tacked up, ready to go. You ready, Ricky? Last weld.
I'm going home.
I wanna go home.
And you're going home. Alright, so this is the last weld. Everything is going to be ready to go today. They're actually on the way to come pick this up and get ready for tomorrow. Everything here is good to go. If I mess up, I'll hear about it on Monday. So, or maybe I'll get a phone call Saturday. So.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Boy, Ricky though, finishing that last weld. Let's get it. Well, that's it, guys. We went ahead and knocked everything out. Got it loaded up on the truck, ready to deliver early in the morning. So hopefully everything goes good, guys. That's just a little thing that I do here at the shop. Luckily, I didn't have to weld today. I was actually just a fitter, and my boy Ricky went ahead and took over the welding. Anytime I can get a break from welding, or I don't have to weld, that's fine with me, guys. So my boy Ricky took care of it. He's an awesome welder. So is Arnold. Arnold's our other welder, and then myself. I was extremely happy we got all that done. I was supposed to be there. Usually when it's my kid's birthday, we celebrate with them the whole weekend. And yeah, this is my son's weekend we're celebrating. So we're gonna be celebrating with him this weekend. I'll make sure everything went good over the weekend. On Monday morning, we'll see what's in tune next week, what we get into. Maybe I can bring you along. And yeah, that's it. That's gonna be it for now. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.